reproduction of fungi. So the reproduction can occur in three ways. One is the vegetative propagation, the second one is by asexual reproduction, and also by sexual reproduction. So how these types of reproduction are happening? First one is fragmentation. So you know already what is fragmentation? That is the fungal mycelium. It breaks into many pieces, and that each piece will develop into a new mycelium. Then fission, budding, and also by asexual reproduction, it happens by means of spores. So we'll be seeing in detail about these spores, that is gonorrhea, sporangiospores, and zoospores. And the sexual reproduction mainly by sexual spores. So asexual reproduction also happen by spores, and sexual reproduction by sexual spores. So we'll see about the differences between the asexual reproduction and the sexual reproduction, and what are the differences in the spores. There are oospores, ascospores, and basidiospores. So these are the different types of the sexual spores that is produced by sexual reproduction.